Welcome to Blizzard Fire. We hope this video helps fire up your solution.
You begin by ensuring the surface is spotless. Remove dust and oils with a microfiber and 70% isopropyl. Once wiped, protect the case and bezel with tape so you only touch the glass. Apply a pea-sized amount of 0.5 micro-m polishing paste to a clean pad. You want controlled coverage, not excess. Now, set a low-speed rotary or a handheld felt wheel and place it gently on the scratch. Short passes reduce heat, which prevents crystal stress. You continue by polishing methodically. Use 10-15-second passes with light pressure to remove the scratch without digging a new one. Rotate the pad in overlapping circles and shift directions occasionally. This evens the abrasion and blends edges. Once you see improvement, wipe clean and inspect under good light. If needed, reapply a small 1/2 to 1/3 dab of paste. Make sure to pause and cool the glass. Heat buildup can fog or crack thin crystals. Finish by removing all compound residue with lens cleaner and a fresh microfiber, then buff to shine with a soft cloth. You'll notice the scratch diminish and edges blend. This is why careful, incremental polishing works. If a gouge remains deep after repetitions, you'll need to consider replacing the crystal rather than over-polishing. If you observe fogging, hairline cracks, or persistent distortion, stop immediately and consult a watchmaker to prevent permanent damage.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.